Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to increase indent in MS Word document. So to add and to increase indent, firstly select that paragraph or sentence or content where you want to increase indent. So select it, then click on this second option in this home tab. Move your paragraph further away from the margin. So click on this icon for increasing indent, and you can decrease by clicking here. That's it. So very simple, just select that area which you want to and where you want to increase or decrease indent. And that's it. So as we can see, we can easily increase indent in MS Word document by clicking this icon. That's it. Hopefully you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.